Welcome to my channel Adhyan with Flow. In my previous video, I already discussed little bit introduction about amino acid. Now, in this video, I'm going in detail. I'm going in a detail. Okay, let's start. Let's start, guys. First of all, you have to understand what is the structure of amino acid. What is the structure of, guys? Whatever is written here and also here, I'm gonna teach you. Okay, don't worry. I'm not reading one by one, but I'm gonna teach you everything. Believe me, guys, I'm teaching you beyond this level. Okay, now you have to remember their structure. What is the composition of amino acid? Guys, amino acid contain amino group, carboxylic group, and R group. This R group is, it may be any kind of aliphatic chain, it may be any kind of aromatic, it may be carbon 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 chain, and it may be ring like structure. Okay, guys, it may be both of them. So now first thing is clear that amino acid made up with amino group, carboxylic group, and R group. NCC rule. I'm telling you NCC. If I say NCC, then you have to understand that I'm talking about amino acid. Okay, guys? Now, this is the first property. This clear that amino acid made up with amino group. One side amino group is present and another side carboxylic group is present. Okay, now next thing. Why amino acid is important? Because amino acid structural and functional unit of protein. In future, amino acid made protein, and protein helpful in body function. Clear, guys? How many amino acids present in human body? Guys, there is a 300 kind of amino acid present in our body. But according to essentiality, according to necessity, according to their importance, in previous year we found 20 important amino acid, but now this is, I'm giving you latest information that now we discovered 22 amino acid. They are necessary for human. 300, yes, I know, guys, 300 amino acid, 300 type of amino acid present in human body, but they are in inactive form. They are useless right now. Only 20 amino acid participate in body function. According to your NCERT, 20 amino acid participate, but according to latest research, 22, now 22. But according to your NCERT, this is the right option if this thing is come in your exam. But if they ask latest amount of amino acid, then you have to tell you 22. There are list of amino acids. Yes, guys, look at here now. This is the examples of amino acid. They want to tell you that some kind of amino acids are non-polar. We can also say it as a hydrophobic. What is the feature of non-polar? They can cross easily PM because they are hydrophobic, and plasma membrane is also hydrophobic. Bye, brother. Now there are some, guys, there are some polar amino acid is there. We can call it as a hydrophilic. So they can't cross PM, plasma membrane, because they have charge. Some amino acid is aromatic. They are present in ring-like structure. Okay, one by one, I'm gonna tell you about what kind of amino acids are hydrophobic, hydrophilic, aromatic. Okay, you have to remember. Guys. I'm writing here a list of hydrophobic amino acid. First is glycine. You have to remember, guys, because this gonna be asked in your examination. You have to prepare, guys. You have to prepare. Next amino acid is alanine. Guys, you have to remember. Next is valine. This is easy. Yes. Leucine. And fifth is isoleucine. Okay, this is the code. This is the code. These are hydrophobic. They can cross easily. What? They can cross easily. What? Plasma membrane. Cross plasma membrane because they are hydrophobic, and plasma membrane are also hydrophobic because they made up with phospholipid. Lipids are hydrophobic, guys, and they are small in structure. They are small in structure, so they can easily cross the plasma membrane. Now, guys, can I draw one of the structure of alanine glycine? Okay, I'm drawing a one single structure. I'm drawing you first for you guys glycine structure. This is the glycine, NCC, NCC. Okay, here hydrogen is present, here hydrogen is present. Guys, here not a R group is present. This is very small amino acid, and I'm drawing you here alanine structure. Guys, remember NCC rule. In previous, I told you na NCC. Remember my NCC rule. NCC. I'm not drawing whole structure. Okay, guys, remember NCC. What is NCC? Amino group, carboxylic group, and center carbon. And here, this is the amino. Okay, na? Don't forget. I'm writing this NCC rule. Okay, that's it. I'm not writing anything else. Now here CH3 group attached, and here hydrogen. This is the structure of alanine. Okay, last guys, last I'm drawing valine structure. NCC rule. Here is hydrogen is attached, and R group is look like this. I told you na guys, R group it may be carbon 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 chain. It may be ring like structure, and this is the smaller this is the simple molecule, na small size molecule, so they contain only carbon carbon chain. They does not contain a heavy ring like structure. They don't heavy, they are small in size. So this is the alanine structure, this is the glycine structure, and this is the valine structure. This is not important according to your NCERT. I'm taking you advanced, that's it. So this is the example of hydrophobic, and this is the important guys. IIT important guys, this is not a joke, important, because competition is very high. You have to make advance yourself, that's it. Okay guys, next I'm gonna teach you what kind of amino acids are polar. I'm writing here hydrophilic, and you can say uncharged, and you can also take as a charged. I'm telling you all kind of example of hydrophilic. Now I'm starting one by one. Guys. Okay, let's start with serine. Second is threonine, then glutamate, then aspartic. So these are what? These are hydrophilic. They can't cross easily plasma membrane, guys. They can't cross. I'm drawing for you a simple structure of serine. This is not important, guys. Just for common sense, just for knowledge, I'm drawing here. NCC rule, guys. NCC. Okay. NCC. Amino group, carboxylic group, and center. Clear, guys? One side is hydrogen, and another side is. Look at here. They contain OH group. An examiner will ask how many amino acid contain OH group. Threonine also contain OH group. Okay, I'm drawing for you NCC rule. Remember my NCC rule. And now, okay, you have to remember, guys, you have to remember. This center carbon attached direct with OH, and this center carbon attached with again a carbon, and this carbon attached again a carbon, and then OH group. So these are example of OH group. Some amino acids contain sulfur group also, like methionine. Some sulfur containing amino acid like methionine. This is advanced, guys. This is advanced. Okay, if you want to memorize this, of course you can memorize, and if you want to escape this, okay, that's your headache. NCC rule, amino group, carboxylic group, hydrogen, and now CH2. This is the chain, but this is the hydrophobic, guys. This is the hydrophobic. Okay, so they are contain sulfur. Also a cysteine, they also contain sulfur group. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you, oh, space. Okay, I'm writing you here. There are some aromatic amino acid, wife. Tryptophan, tyrosine, Phenyl. These are the codes, guys. Phenylalanine. These are the codes. They are alphabetically codes for them. They are aliphatic. I'm drawing here a structure for you. NCC rule, guys. NCC. And here a ring-like structure is present. They are heavy but also hydrophilic. Tyrosine structure is again NCC rule. Again NCC rule. This is phenol, guys. This is not OH single. This is phenol. Okay, now I'm telling phenylalanine structure. Again NCC rule. Follow my NCC rule, guys. Clear? These are hydrophilic. Sometimes if they are neutral, then they work as a hydrophobic. Okay, guys, they can't cross easily plasma membrane, but sometimes if they are in a hydrophobic condition, they can cross plasma membrane. Okay, now you are clear, guys. Now you're clear. I'm teach you everything beyond this level. Okay, some amino acid contain negative charge. We can call it as a acidic amino acid, and some amino acid are positive, carrying positive charge. We can call it as a basic amino acid. I'm writing here acidic amino acids. Example, what is the example of acidic amino acid? Aspartic acid. They are hydrophilic, can't cross pm. They are acidic. Glutamic acid, they are also hydrophilic, can't cross pm. Now some are basic amino acid. Lysine, they can't cross na, guys. They can't cross because they are polar. Some example is arginine. They can't cross pm. This is the emoji of they can't cross pm. They are basic because they carry positive charge, and they carry negative charge, so they are acidic. And this composition is useful for histone octamer. Because stone octamer is very important for DNA, because DNA overlap them and they make this kind of a structure. Okay, guys, I think you clear. I know this is look like some messiness, but if you concentrate on my lecture, then you can easily identify what things are written where. Okay, what things are written where. Okay, some sulfur containing. Okay, I know my writing is not very good, but I hope you will understand my words. Acidic amino acids, basic amino acids. This emoji sign means they can't cross pm. Okay, they can't cross pm. They've crossed pm. These are the example. Okay, guys, so this is all about amino acid, and in our next video I'm gonna teach you lipids. Guys. In our next video we will concentrate on lipids. They can cross pm. So here here amino acid is clear, guys. Now I explained everything in amino acid beyond your NCERT. If you remember this thing, you will be master in biochem. Look at here, guys. Their structure is glycine. Means structure is also important, guys. Look at here, OH group. Means, guys, structure is also important. You have to remember structures also, not their name. Of course, their structure. Look at here, guys. NCC rule. They also follow NCC rule. NCC. This is the hydrogen, and this is the R group. This is the R group, and this is the R group. NCC. Here H, here amino acid, carboxylic acid, and here any kind of R group. It may be OH, it may be methane, it may be hydrogen. Okay, so we will meet in our next video, and that's all for now. Thank you.